Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am Binish Kausar Rafiuddin from Chemistry Department of JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. This is the topic of MSc first year, subject Inorganic Chemistry, subject code CHI 130, section 2nd, that is Chemistry of P block elements. Today in this video lecture we will discuss about the organometallic compounds. In the last video lecture we have seen about organometallic compounds, organometallic chemistry, organometallic bonds and different classification of organometallic compounds. And in this video lecture we will discuss about different metals or different organometallic compounds of different metals. For example, organolithium compounds, organomagnesium compounds, organosilicon compounds, organoarsenic compounds and organolead compounds. First of all, let's see organolithium compounds. Before this, we will see about the lithium atom. Lithium is the first group element and its general electronic configuration is NS1 and it is present in S block. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are closely related. Lithium forms ionic hydrides, which is also called as saline hydrides, with the rock salt structure. Now we will see the preparation and the synthesis of organolithium compounds. Before this, we will see what is organolithium compounds. The organometallic compounds that contains carbon-lithium bond are known as organolithium compounds. Now we will see the preparation. The lithium forms a number of covalent alkyls and aryls which are of great importance in the preparation of organometallic compounds. For example, tetrameric methyl lithium. It is a typical range of compound. It is covalent, soluble in many organic solvents and can be distilled or sublimed. These compounds are tetrameric or hexameric, which are made from alkyls or aryl halides. You can see the reaction when lithium metal is reacted with alkyl halide, then we will get organolithium compound with the side product lithium chloride. The structure of tetrameric methyl lithium is a cluster. The 4 Li atom occupy at corners of the tetrahedron. The second structure is of tetrameric methyl lithium. They may be tetrameric or hexameric as we have seen before. So the 4 methyl groups and 4 lithium groups are present, and the first structure is hexameric methyl lithium. जो ब्लू डॉट्स है इसमें वो लिथियम एटम है, लिथियम के हैं, एंड जो ब्लैक डॉट्स हैं वो कार्बन एटम है, एंड जो एम्प्टी सर्कल्स से बताए गए वो दीज आर दी हाइड्रोजन्स. Each methyl carbon is above the face of tetrahedron and to form a triple bridge to the 3 lithium atoms that make up the face of tetrahedron. So these tetrameric structure and hexameric structure we have seen. Next, properties of lithium. Lithium exhibits the high degree of covalent character in its bonding. This covalent character is due to high polarizing power of lithium. Lithium form normal oxide when burns to oxygen, whereas other group are formed peroxides and superoxides. जो लिथियम है, लिथियम मेटल है, उसको जो है ऑक्सीजन के साथ बर्न करने पे वो ऑक्साइड फॉर्म करते हैं, जबकि जो दूसरे ग्रुप हैं वो जो हैं पेरोक्साइड या फिर सुपर ऑक्साइड फॉर्म करते हैं. लिथियम फॉर्म्स ओनली अल्किल मेटल कंपाउंड्स, फॉर एग्जांपल नाइट्राइड, कार्बाइड्स एंड ग्रेफाइट्स. Some lithium salts such as carbonates, phosphates and fluorides, they have very low solubilities in water. Next property है lithium form many stable organometallic compounds. Just we have seen nitrides, carbides, graphites, phosphides, fluorides, they all are stable organometallic compounds. Now next is uses. Organolithium compounds are mainly used as polymerization, catalyst and alkylation, laboratory synthesis of organometallic derivatives and unsaturated derivatives. Second is organometallic compounds of magnesium. Before this we will see magnesium. About magnesium. Magnesium is the second group element present in S block. General electronic configuration is Ns2. Magnesium hydride, that is MgH2, loses hydrogen and the hydride react with H2O to produce hydrogen gas. मैग्नीशियम हाइड्राइड जो है एक हाइड्रोजन लॉस करके मैग्नीशियम हाइड्राइड फॉर्म करता है एंड दैट हाइड्राइड रिएक्ट्स विथ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एंड गिव्स हाइड्रोजन गैस with magnesium hydroxide. Now we will see organometallic compounds of magnesium. The alkyl magnesium halide compounds are known as Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents are made by the slow addition of an alkyl or aryl halide to stir with mixture of magnesium in an organic solvent such as diethyl ether. As you know, aryl or alkyl magnesium halides are known as Grignard reagent. This is the most important organometallic compounds and these are formed by magnesium metal and with the alkyl bromide or aryl bromide it may be, which gives Grignard reagent, that is RMgX. It may be R will be alkyl or aryl group. So the properties of organomagnesium compounds. Grignard reagents are all very reactive. Iodides are more reactive or most reactive and chlorides are least. All Grignard reagents are easily hydrolyzed by water to give parent hydrocarbon. You can see the reaction. Grignard reagent on treatment with water, it gives hydrocarbon with magnesium hydride and as well as magnesium bromide. Uses of the compounds. It is widely used in the synthesis of many organic compounds like alcohols, aldehydes, ketone, esters, amides, alkenes and carboxylic acid, etc. Now next one is organosilicon compounds. Organosilicon compounds are the compound containing carbon silicon bonds. Most organosilicon compounds are similar to the ordinary organic compounds, being colorless, flammable. These bonds are strong as carbon-carbon bond. Silicon carbide is extremely hard and stable to heat. जो ऑर्गेनोसिलिकॉन कंपाउंड्स होते हैं उनमें कार्बन और सिलिकॉन के बीच में बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होता है. दैट्स वाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज ऑर्गेनोसिलिकॉन कंपाउंड्स एंड द बॉन्ड बिटवीन सिलिकॉन एंड कार्बन इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग एज द कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड. जितना जैसे कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है वैसे ही कार्बन और सिलिकॉन का बॉन्ड भी जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है इन ऑर्गेनोसिलिकॉन कंपाउंड्स. द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ ऑर्गेनोसिलिकॉन कंपाउंड्स we will see. These are colorless, flammable, hydrophobic and stable to air. This is the structure of organosilicon. The gray dots are carbon and the white balls are silicon. So you can see the structure. Now we will see the synthesis of organosilicon compounds. The organosilicon compound contains carbon and Si bond, organosilicon compound methyl chlorosilanes are starting material for manufacture of silicon polymer. First organosilicon compound tetraethylsilane was prepared by the reaction of tetrachlorosilane with tetraethyl zinc, and this first organosilicon compound was prepared by Charles Friedel and James Kraft in 1863. This can be prepared by SiCl4 tetrachlorosilane with the treatment of tetraethyl zinc, and now we will get tetraethylsilane plus tetrachloro zinc as you see the reaction. Now the uses, the compounds used as dehydrating agent. Silicones are used as lubricating in hydraulic braking system. Silicones are hydrophobic, hence used in water repellent spray for shoes and other items as well. Low molar masses silicone compounds are used to prepare cosmetic products like hair gels, conditioner, shampoos, shaving foams, toothpaste and soaps, etc. Silicone used as grease, lubricants, varnishes and synthetic rubbers. Next is organometallic compound of lithium. Lead or organolead compound. Organolead compounds are the chemical compounds containing a chemical bond between carbon and lead, in which we will see that tetraethyl lead is produced in large amount and used as anti-knock agent to increase the octane number of the petrol. हमको पता है कि किसी भी फ़ोइल का जितना ज़्यादा ऑक्टेन नंबर या सीटेन नंबर जितना ज़्यादा होगा, उतना फ़ोइल की जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो उतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी और उतनी क्वालिटी जो है उस फ़ोइल की अच्छी होगी. तो टेट्राएथिल लीड को जो है जनरली एंटी नॉक एजेंट प्रिपेयर करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, जो कि पेट्रोल का ऑक्टेन नंबर इंक्रीज़ करता है, जिसकी वजह से पेट्रोल की या जो फ़ोइल है उसकी जो है क्वालिटी इंक्रीज़ होती है. द कमर्शियल प्रिपरेशन बाय यूजिंग सोडियम लीड alloy. As you see the reaction, sodium lead alloy with the tetraethyl chloride now, and we will get tetraethyl lead with NaCl. Organolead compound is also prepared from the lead halides using organolithium reagent or may be using Grignard reagent. Organolead को जो है ऑर्गेनोलिथियम के थ्रू भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं और ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट के थ्रू भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. एज यू कैन सी द रिएक्शन PbCl2 that is lead chloride with treatment of LiEt ethyl lithium, then we will get Pb plus PbEt4 or tetraethyl lead. Lead is a dangerously poisonous to living being, and burning petrol release lead into the atmosphere. Now next is organometallic compounds of arsenic. Many organometallic compounds of arsenic, antimony and bismuth having oxidation states +3 and +5. First of all, we will see what are organoarsenic compounds. The organoarsenic compound chemistry is the chemistry of compound containing chemical bond between arsenic and carbon. A few organoarsenic compounds also called as organoarsenicals. The parent compound are arsenic and arsenic acids. Arsenic typically occurs in the oxidation state +3 and +5. As I have told before, the oxidation state is +3 and +5. The synthesis. Organometallic compounds of arsenic with oxidation state +3 can be prepared in an ether solvent by using organohalide organolithium and Grignard reagent. So you can see the reactions here. Ethyl arsenate with alkyl bromide, then we will get the organoarsenic compound. Likewise, both the reactions are there. The compounds are readily oxidized but are stable to water. The metal carbon bond strength decreases for the given alkyl or aryl group in the order as arsenic, antimony and bismuth. The stability is also decreases in the same order. All compounds act as Lewis bases and form complexes with transition element. The basicity decreases in the order as arsenic, antimony and bismuth. मतलब जो ऑर्गेनो आर्सेनिक है इनका जो बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ है वो डिक्रीज़ होता है, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा जो है आर्सेनिक की रहेगी, फिर बिस्मथ का, एंड सबसे लीस्ट जो है वो एंटीमनी का, और सबसे लीस्ट जो है वो बिस्मथ की बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ रहेगी. और सेम पैटर्न में स्टेबिलिटी जो है वो भी डिक्रीज़ होगी और सेम पैटर्न में बेसिसिटी भी डिक्रीज़ होगी. नाउ द यूजेस ऑफ ऑर्गेनोमेटेलिक कंपाउंड्स ऑफ आर्सेनिक. Organometallic compounds of arsenic were widely used against bacterial infection, herbicides and fungicides once. That means organoarsenic compounds are used in agrochemicals. Thank you.